CryptoTA Pro, I'm Fabio. Please, before start to the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We can see right now 1 day Bitcoin chart. We can check our candle. We close mine 3 for bullish, 13 for bearish. We get a red diamond, it's a bear sign. We can see our EMA 21 is likely a support for the candle, for the price. The new candle, it's open with 16 for bearish, mine 5 for bullish. The bearish have control right now. If we look in market cipher B, what we can see the momentum wave going down, VWAP going down, money flow going down, RSI stochastic going down but very high. I don't like too much this money flow 1 day chart. It's high guys. It's not very dangerous, but it's very likely going down. Okay, it's not like side we like try to recover. It's going down, the money flow, the VWAP and the momentum wave. I don't like too much this chart right now for 1 day Bitcoin. If we looking guys our RSI and EMA 22, we can see here we test the EMA 22 and we get a rejection to the downside, and right now it's likely try another time, but probably we get another rejection. Why? Because guys, we get our red dot 1 day chart, 6 day chart, and we waiting for this red dot 1 week chart. Okay, it's almost there. We can see the VWAP is going down, but it's likely recover. This will be very important, touch the zero line and going to the upside. The money flow 1 week chart is very beautiful, it's going up, very strong, RSI stochastic sideways, and RSI and EMA 22 is likely touch the bull territory. Probably here we can see something like this, we touch the line, we're going down, the EMA 22 like this, and probably may going up. I expect something like this. If we looking for our chart for Bitcoin, what we can see almost we get our green dot. This is very good. We can see the money flow, we get a bearish cross here, we get a correction. Right now we are above to the EMA 21, it's likely a resistance. In the market cipher B, we can see we have a big red wave money flow. Right now we try to test with the VWAP, the zero line. We have to see if we can break into the upside or get a rejection. Here we get a green dot probably in 1 hour. Okay, RSI stochastic likely going up. Okay, we need to check very well this way. Probably is continuing until Monday, something like that, the red wave for the money flow. In 2 hour chart we can see the same things, but we get a green dot, a big green dot. The money flow is like recover a little bit, the VWAP going up, so stochastic RSI going up. This is good. 1 hour chart, what we can see a double bottom, like a double bottom with 2 big green dots. We can see a bullish divergence here, and we can see RSI stochastic VWAP going up, but we have a big money flow, red money flow. We need to wait to see our money flow start to go close to the zero line. It's very high right now in mine 18. The last time we get something like that, we have to come back in October 28 when we get this big correction. If we're looking for our support and resistance, monthly, weekly, daily, what we can see the price don't touch right now the monthly support. we stay in the daily support, okay, between 60 and practically 63, okay. This is our target right now. This is our target. We need to see with the weekly red dot if we broken and we retest the monthly support, likely $58,800, okay. It's a possibility, okay. This is a possibility. If we're looking for some number, we can try to get our Fibonacci, and we can see right now the price is likely stay in our 0.382. Probably we broken to the downside. If we broken to the downside, but the next step is 58.9. Probably we have another step here, 59.960, okay. But this is important, very important, is the monthly support, 58.9. And guys, we have every time we have this, we have two, the EMA 200, it probably is likely going around 58.9, 58.7, something like that. And we need to check 55.700 too, because it's a trend line support, okay. But right now we need to wait to understand how much the Bitcoin price can go down. If we if 60, 58 it's enough for this correction or no. We need to check 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, and 4 hour chart. 6 hour chart right now it's red too. 8 hour here is likely recover, and probably we don't see the money flow going to the red, may going to the zero line and going up. It will be very, very, very good. This is everything for the Bitcoin price. If we're looking for Ethereum, what we can see in the day chart, we get 6 for bearish, 3 for bullish. We get the yellow of diamond, it's a bullish sign. The new candle open 13 for bearish, -1 for bullish. With red diamond, it's a bearish sign. We get in the market cipher B, we get a bearish divergence, okay. It's not very, very bearish divergence, because this red dot is a little bit more high than the previous one. The money flow is going sideways, the VWAP is going down, but it's likely recover. I think it's bad. Sorry guys, it's good. The market cipher B, the chart for 1 day chart for the Ethereum, probably we can see some kind of correction, likely 4,300, something like that, and start going up another time. Guys, if Bitcoin, we can see the price of the Bitcoin stay between our target is for our, if we can see the price moving between 60,000 and 63, something like that, going up and going down, we can see a very big pump for the altcoin. I think this is the case right now. We have 1 week chart for Ethereum, very bullish. The momentum wave is going up to the 60 line, RSI stochastic going up, money flow going up. VWAP is going sideways right now. RSI start enter in the bullish territory. We have our green dot in 1 month chart for Ethereum, and everything is looking great for Ethereum, okay. Nothing changed. We can see right now in 4 hour chart the money flow is touching zero line, and probably we get a reaction to the upside and going another time up. If we can't go to the upside, we go into the red with the money flow, probably we can see some kind of correction in $4,300 for Ethereum. But guys, it's the Bitcoin, the Ethereum chart is look good. It's not bad. Okay, this is everything for Ethereum. I will check XRP, guys, because XRP, I think it's very beautiful chart right now. We can see, oh, the money flow is like going down one day chart another time. This is probably for the correction we get in the Bitcoin price. The VWAP going down, money flow is going down. Momentum wave is likely, will I reach a red dot probably in 55. I would see the money flow going to the green territory, but probably we get some kind of sideways price. Okay, right now we get a rejection in our golden pocket. Okay, but this is a bullish formation. Okay, I waiting for another leg up for XRP. If we're looking for our chart, what we can see the money flow is green, is like going down, but the VWAP is sideways. I expect the VWAP try to broken to the upside. RSI stochastic above the 60 line. This is very good. Into our chart, what we can see the money flow. It's high, it's green. The VWAP is going down. We get a red dot right now, but it's not likely very strong. In 1 hour we can see the money flow is likely touch going down. Probably we touch the zero line. If we get a correction, we can retest another time the EMA 200 in $1.13. $1.13. But sincerely, I don't think we get this big correction, but maybe flash crash if Bitcoin reach $58,000. Probably XRP will get 113. But guys, remember, we are in this process. If we look in the big picture, we can see very bullish formation candle. We get our first step 122, the next step will be 141, and the next step 161 for XRP in the short term. If we look in Shiba Inu, what we can see, Shiba Inu right now we get a big correction. Okay, we think about we can get 0.000039. We don't get, but almost. The money flow right now is like recovery, the VWAP too. In 4-hour chart we can see we get our big green dot. The money flow is start going to the red territory. I expect another red dot and another big green dot. With this another big green dot, the price start going up. The goal is come back to the right now we have the EMA 21, the color red. We need to see this change the color to the color blue, and we need to see the EMA 21 crossing EMA 21. This is very important for the price to the Shiba Inu. We have a big money flow, red money flow into our chart. The same thing in 1-hour chart. We are totally in bearish territory right now. Probably we can see a consolidation in this range. Probably we can see something like this. This is the old all-time high. Okay, is the old all-time high. Probably we can see kind of half correction. The last correction we stay in this price for how many days? October 7, almost 20 days, okay, 2 weeks in this range. Okay, probably we can see something like this with Shiba Inu right now, and go to the next leg, to the upside. But right now you can see the trend in 4-hour chart is very important. We can see the trend is going to the bearish territory. We enter right now in bearish territory. Probably Monday, something like that, we can see some kind of a reaction to the upside. This is everything for today, guys. Remember, if you are interested in Market Cipher, you have a link in description below. You can get Market Cipher A, B, SR, and DBSI. Guys, this is everything. See you on the next video. Bye.